Are you looking for the best massage ball in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best massage ball. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pro-Tec Athletics The Orb Deep Tissue High Density Massage Ball. If you are looking for goosebumps massage balls that provide intense massages and will help work out any knots or tightness in your body, Pro-Tec Athletics The Orb is the perfect ball for you. The Orb offers a multi-directional roll which allows you to focus the massage on targeted areas, covered in tiny bumps which provide an intense, deep tissue massage. Perfect as a hamstring massage ball, it can also work on your quads and calf muscles as well to release any tightness. The Orb is available in different sizes, 8 cm and 12 cm, so you can choose depending on how intense you want the massage to be. The smaller ball will allow for a more targeted massage, whereas the larger one is better if you are looking to release overall tightness. Not only should you massage your muscles for faster recovery, you should also increase your protein intake to help build and repair your muscles. As well as reducing muscle fatigue and tightness, the Orb is a great performance-enhancing tool as it helps to increase flexibility. Pro-Tec Athletics The Orb is also practical as it is only either 8 or 12 cm in diameter and very lightweight, perfect for people who are always on the go. The Orb is available in 2 bright colors, blue and pink, so you can choose depending on your preference and get to work to reap all of these benefits. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rolling With It Vibrating Peanut Massage Ball. Much like other high-end massage balls, this Rolling With It peanut ball includes a vibrating feature, which allows you to increase the intensity of your massage to suit your liking. There are 4 different levels of vibration so you have further control over the intensity of your massage. It is unique to other massage balls on the market because of its peanut shape, offering a more targeted use overall. This allows it to cradle different areas of the body, which is great for providing a targeted massage with added support. Perfect if you're looking for a massage ball for the shoulder, as you can work both at the same time. The design of this massage ball is vibrant as it comes in a bright blue color. This, combined with its unique shape, it is bound to make it stand out from other balls in the gym. The only downside to this massage ball is that it is quite a bit more expensive than some standard massage balls. However, when you consider the unique shape and varied functions that this ball has to offer, it is definitely worth the steeper price tag. At number 3, we have the Muscle Max Massage Ball. The Epitome Fitness Muscle Max is a 3.2-inch ball with deep grooves and a hard-packed rubber body. It is on the heavier side when compared to other balls in our lineup, but at 6.5 ounces, it is still very portable. The high-density rubber offers an intense and aggressive muscle release, while the grooves provide a varied surface to ensure deep loosening. We love how the surface texture helps the pressure penetrate the skin and work efficiently on the musculature below. The surface texture also provides a great grip on hardwood surfaces. The Muscle Max is a highly durable option for athletes with a no pain, no gain mentality. As a side note, this may be the only ball in our review that doesn't act as Velcro for dust and dog hair when used at home. We know this may not be a concern for everyone, but for those of us with pets, we know how gross it can feel to have your workout gear covered in hair. The main drawback of the Muscle Max is that it might be a bit too intense for some users. This is not a ball for the faint of heart. If you prefer a gentle touch, we recommend steering clear of all high-density options. Because of its hard-packed feeling, the Muscle Max is fairly intense for use along the spine. If you're into that, this is the ball for you. This ball has a higher price point than some of its counterparts, but we believe it to be a worthy investment since the rubber is so durable. The Muscle Max Massage Ball is a great choice for heavy-duty use. The deep ridges offer excellent deep tissue loosening and the durable exterior holds up really well. At number 2, we have the TriggerPoint MobiPoint Textured Massage Ball. The TriggerPoint MobiPoint is unique in its countenance, but very functional when you're looking for a self-massage tool to dig deep. Smaller than many of the other balls in our roundup, this 2-inch spiky ball provides a great massage to smaller muscle groups. We have generally found that the smaller a massage ball, the easier it is to reach and release knots that are in smaller muscle groups, as opposed to larger muscle groups like the quads or hamstrings. We love this ball for rolling out the pesky connective tissues in the feet and, of course, the piriformis. The grippy surface texture is strong enough to stay where you place it, but not sticky enough to attract dog hairs and dust like many other super grippy balls. We love that this ball is easily washed with soap and water, neither of which degrades the surface of it. And the lower than average price tag make the MobiPoint an even sweeter deal. The MobiPoint is smaller than average and covered in spikes, which makes it less versatile than other, more traditionally shaped balls. Since it is on the affordable side of things, we think that this massage ball makes a great addition to your collection of other self-massage tools, but may not be enough to be your one and only. Since it is purely made of plastic, it is harder than those made of silica and other materials that offer a bit more give. If you are looking to buy a versatile massage ball that you can use on large and small muscle groups alike, we recommend opting for a different ball. However, if you want an affordable, strong little ball that is going to loosen your smaller muscles groups in just the right way, the MobiPoint is a great choice for you. The TriggerPoint MobiPoint has a small surface area, which makes it versatile for use on smaller or harder to access areas. And finally at number 1. We have the Tumaz Massage Ball and Foot Roller 3-in-1 set. The Tumaz 3-in-1 set massage ball set is the true MVP of our roundup. Each one of the 3 tools in this set is versatile, ergonomically excellent, and durable. The set includes a 2.5-inch lacrosse-style ball, a 2.8-inch hard plastic spike ball, and a 6.3-inch x 3-inch bumpy, oblong roller. The lacrosse-style ball is free of offensive odors and firm enough to dig into hard-to-access muscle groups. It is also gentle enough to not feel like hard plastic digging into your skin. The spiky orb has very rigid, significant spikes and is great for loosening up the pesky plantar fascia. The oblong roller is made of phthalate-free PVC and is extra firm to the touch. The bumpy surface and gentle contour make this roller great for feet, spines, and the occasional IT band, depending on whether or not you like your rolling with a side of pain. While we wholeheartedly believe that the Tumaz 3-in-1 is the best we tested, we acknowledge that the rigid surfaces and extreme textures might be too aggressive for some users. Even the softest component of this set, the lacrosse-style ball, offers less give than others we tested. This set of massage tools will be most loved by users looking for something to loosen and massage their entire bodies. With this durable team of tools, you'll be able to roll out the areas that hold the most tension. Overall, this set impressed us by being highly versatile, ergonomically sound, and durable. The Tumaz set offers a wide variety of shapes and textures, making it ideal for full-body use. That said, each tool is quite firm, so keep that in mind if you need something on the softer side. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.